Ravensburger puzzles are some of my favorite because they are high quality, they are beautiful, and they are really like top notch, easy to put together in terms of precision cutting, the pieces. It's really an incredible brand and they produce a lot of great puzzles. This one here is of the Empire State Building. And what I love about it is a couple things here. So this is the base. This is supposed to be like the cityscape, like the street view from a bird's eye. And what happens is this is going to be placed right here and you are going to build up from there. So this, looking down, is the first level. What I love about this particular puzzle is that these are clip-on pieces, so they snap into place. And it's a little bit of cheating in that it tells you exactly the number that needs to be snapped in and the direction in which it goes, right? So there's 60, there's 61, so on and so forth. As you can see, I started here already so you guys could see what the puzzle looks like, kind of snapped into place. Here are all the remaining pieces. I think there's, 216 pieces. And then these are the different levels. So you'll build up, right? What I absolutely love about this is no glue is required. It's stable. The pieces are hinged. It tells you exactly how to build it. This is not like a guessing game, like does this piece fit? It tells you exactly how to do it. And it's really high quality. I love it. I think it's amazing and highly recommend Ravensburger puzzles. And this 3D one is just phenomenal.